Hey, what's up? This is Manzil and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. So finally we decided to go to Darjeeling. Yes, a decent place. Finally, and then I don't know if I'll be able to go to Tiger Hill, because that is what I've always wanted to see. But I'll try my best, because it's a little far from the place I stay, and the time is 6. We decided to leave by 6. It's already 6 here. The guys are getting ready. I'm not the only one going. We are 6 today. They are all my brothers. I'll introduce you guys later. And the bikes are ready. We are taking 1, 2, 3, 4 bikes. The guys are getting ready. I need to get ready. I'll see you guys on the ride, because I need to get ready as soon as possible. So we are done with the refueling, and the guys are over here. This is Manishda, Ronilda, Anisda, Navungda, and Dada. That guy is actually my sponsor. He pays for all my fuel, everything. So a very big shout out to him. Jum jane jaldi niskiyalum. Left from here. Yes, it's the same way anyways. So Panighatta left, Mirik is also left, Bagdogra to the right, Siliguri right. So after a 2.5 hour ride, we finally reached Darjeeling, and yes, the weather was very different, that is obvious, yes, but the first thing we noticed when we reached there was the railway station. I think this is the main railway station, Darjeeling's railway station, and you can see the train engines. I don't think this is some engine that is run by fuel. I think it's run by some coal, or I'm not really sure about that, but they look different from the other we have seen. And this seems to be the platform. It's on the left, and the trains were on the right, the engines were on the right. I guess the train go through the platform. Okay, first things first, we've reached Darjeeling, parked our bike. This is what I'm gonna do for the first thing in Darjeeling. Okay, Tukka. So we are leaving Chau Rasta right now and going towards the resort. We'll be staying for the night. The time it's showing 1.5 hours. So I don't think it's gonna take 1.5 hours. It's probably gonna take an hour. I needed to charge my phone and my camera, so I had to change my bike. So I haven't shown you guys the view of Darjeeling as of now, so I think this is a decent place to do that. This is one of the view. That is the way we came, I guess. I'm not sure, but most probably yes, that is the only road I can see from here. I am on someone's terrace. So I overcame this place on the way. I wanted to show this because it's covering very fast and it's going to be covered again, so the sun is very clear. That side it's dark in the middle again, it's green over here again, and it's getting covered from this side. 4 different things are going on over here. Over there, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Kiva go Askram Bogota. So I think I'll do the privilege of going first, since this guy think I'm the experienced one. So this is where we are going to be spending our night. This is a homestay. The place looks like this. Small seating area over here. Bonfire might be over there, yeah. Guinea pigs. Rabbits. So this is the night view. This is actually the terrace view. I'll go downstairs. This. There you can have bonfire, and there's a small cabin for what, for drinking, or I don't know, what do you guys call that. And there's also another place over there. We are kind of tired right now, so I think we'll crash, and I'll see you guys early in the morning. So the morning is a total disappointment weather-wise. It rained the whole night
and the scene is something like this. It's foggy, nothing is clear. But then we had a good sleep, but that is not what we came here for. We even planned on going to Tiger Hill, but then I don't think that's a very good idea because it's raining at Darjeeling. It's raining, so this is the yard. There's a small cabin over there. The guys are chilling over there. There's a small seating area. This is also. Yeah, Guzda huncha. There are fishes. The water is not really clear. There are a rabbit. There's a guinea pig as well. And this is where we parked our bike. And the view is like this. This is where we stayed. So I'm on my way to the owner's house. He has a bike that was probably manufactured in around 1960s. Yeah, probably 1960s. It's an Royal Enfield, and Royal Enfield 350. But then the owner modified the bike, and then yes, I'll show you guys. And the best part of this bike is this was manufactured in England. Yes, and I don't think you'll be able to get this bike in the market right now. That's so obvious because it was made in around 1960s. So the bike is over here. This is the bike. Something, the modification is done by the owner. You won't get this and all. Obviously the Royal Enfield doesn't give all this. So here is the logo, Royal Enfield. I think these are modified. You've been modified, right? No? These are modified. You can actually see the engine, the difference in the engine, because this is Royal Enfield's 350cc and this is 650cc, 650, right? No? You can look at the engine. This is made in India. This is double engine and Indian made. This is 350cc.
Before 1961.
Oh, 1960s.
British. Very few left in India.
Look at the exhaust.
Double exhaust, I have removed it because I have not driven the bike for the past 2 years.
You can actually see the build of the bike. It's really different from the bike Royal Enfield built today.
This is actually custom made.
The tank is custom made, yes.
Customized.
The tire is also probably customized, yes.
That's why there is no keys to unlock the tank. It's custom made. So you didn't put any keys.
Keep on
Just
nice.
roll it.
Chabi halne kahan cha? Yeah, so this is to start the bike. And you don't get the self start.
There's no self-start, self-kick.
And one thing, the brake is on the left, gear is on the right. Nee, gear is on the right. Usually the gear is on the left and the brake is on the right in modern bikes, but this is different. This is the first time I've ever come across this kind of.
This is a very old. Royal
Probably around 80 years.
I think it is for sure. The engine is older than 1961. Yeah.
Probably his dad used to ride this and then he must have kept it for showpiece.
Now it will be a showpiece. I used to ride this bike probably 2 to 3 years back. But for now, yeah, you can see the condition. I've not ridden.
He's gonna clean it. अङ्कल जान्छु ल हुन्छ जान्छ नि पकाउनु ल रोनिला मनिष त पकाउनु न Oh, come on, look at the view. Elon Musk, also known as Elon Musk.
Namaste.
There could be some waterfall over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think that connects to the river somewhere over there. Look at the view. All the mountain looks bluish. So we just crossed Coronation Bridge, and also I think this is it for today. A very big disappointment because I couldn't go to Tiger Hills, but yes, I will be going there in future, probably in winter, because that is the best time to visit that place according to the locals. So if you guys like the video, please do subscribe, like and comment. I'll be bringing some new contents as soon as possible. I hope you guys are safe, you are safe, your family is safe, and yes, that's it. See you, take care, bye bye.